Back at it here again. Cup of coffee this morning. Iced coffee. It's already like 85 degrees and it's about 8 o'clock. We're gonna be doing some hydro seeding. You got Buddy Dan? Yeah, how he is. Brig. All right, so the first thing you do is you go and you find a hydrant, and then you fill your tank with the hydrant. Down there, you got a little connector, big metal tube, goes down the side of the truck, hook up to the hydrant. Now I'm gonna get my seed, put my seed in. We got a 1,200 gallon tank. We put 100 pounds of seed in to start. Get that mixing. We got this big container of dye and a little container just for handwork. A little dye in there. That green tint. So it looks good till we leave. Now I'm going to start putting the bales in. Now the trick to these bales is you want to break them up. You don't want to put the entire bale in the tank. It could blow up. So you put it on the rack, get her lined up, break it up, and then you just flip it, and then you just chuck the entire bale right in the tank. Now Aaron's upset. And you just do it over and over and over again. Also putting this tacking agent in here because we're doing some pretty aggressive slopes. This helps it stick to the ground and not wash away in a little bit of rain. So we're gonna let that mix. All right, now we just load close the lid, let her mix, and go dry down to the site. It's just down the road. This is a 1,200 gallon tank here. You put 100 pounds of seed, like I already said, 8 bales. I think they're like 50 pounds. I don't know how they weigh those out. 1 bag of tack and some dye. Buddy Dan, listen, I got work to do today. All right, so we're on the ground spraying now. Buddy Dan's doing the nozzle work. Guy loves playing with hoses. And I've had enough of hoses for a little while, so passed on to the next guy. We're in the middle of a bio pond. You gotta hydro seed all this. Up around, there's a big dirt pile over there. We gotta do all that. I did on the other side of this pond already a couple weeks ago, and up through here. You can see it's just starting to come in there. The trees are shading it. Got the pit vipers on. So this is all pretty rough yesterday. It's a pretty aggressive slope if you can't tell on camera. It's probably like a 2 to 1 maybe. I don't know, pretty aggressive all the way around. So that's why we used to tack. This is all rock on it. We prepared it like that. And now we're hydro seed. Nice fluffy base, some dry seed, and yeah. Jackass.
Guy's soaked himself and now he's mad at me.
No, this guy turns the goddamn hydrant on, doesn't verify the caps are open, let the water in, and then I get soaked. 10,000 gallons of water. I almost drowned. Bastard fucking got me all wet. And then he tried to blame it on me. Oh, hang on, camera's dirty. Trash to the dumpster is now dumpster to the landfill. Buddy Dan got an upgrade today. Got this all loaded up. Ready for some grass? Randy, he loves grass. Not this kind. What do you got to say, buddy Dan?
This guy's a fucking idiot.
Who?
Andrew Cuomo.
Oh, well, yeah, we all knew that. Big day here in New York. Cuomo resigns. We're making New York great again. 14 days to stop the fucking spread. Honk. Aaron, frig off.
You're going to stay on the clock. You're going to continue making $106.50
off.
Another shot at winning that $5,000 prize. So coming up at 5 o'clock, we'll give out another name. It could be your name. Listen, if we say your name, you have 30 minutes to call us back here in the studio at 644 WRK. You got to be punctual, got to be on time to get on the clock.
Smoke work you've done all day.
Coming up at 5 o'clock.
I'm in Sherman. You've just been standing around, just like you are now.